أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في القرآن المجيد ورفعنا لك ذكرك وقال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم إنما بعثت معلما أو كما قال عليه السلام. Honorable respected teachers and dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am here to speak about Sri Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear audience, nearly 1400 years ago, people were engaged in poverty, demand, delight, prostitution, arrogance, and lot of social evils. Then Allah Almighty raised the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam among themselves to bring them in the light of it. The Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born in Makkah in 571 AD. He belonged to noble family of Quraysh. The Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not do any bad activity from his childhood. Since up to his whole life, helping our poor people was community of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. People learned from his purity. Dear audience, after coming of our Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the shape of earlier civilization was completely replaced with a dead condition. The rivers became worshippers. The enemies of Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam became his loyal. Hazrat Aisha radhiyallahu anha said about the life of Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, his moral and character are an embodiment of the Quran. The Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam prayed people to trust Allah Almighty. Obedience is the dominant feature. The Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam made to Taif to preach Islam, but the people threw stone at him. On this occasion of Taif, Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam asked the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, "O Muhammad, speak, if you so wish, I will destroy them." But the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, quality our gracious and merciful God, showed them the right path of them who do not know what are they doing, and make it known them that I am their ruler. I would like to declare that our responsibility is to take up the instruction of Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and act from the rule of Islam.